Hello and welcome to Hosted FTP Tutorials. Today's tutorial is going to cover the Files tab and the tools and features you can find on this page to achieve your FTP needs. Let's begin. In the Files tab, you'll find your workspace located on the left-hand panel, revealing your folder structure. Use the workspace to expand your folder structure to find specific folders and files. In the middle panel, you'll find your folder browser, allowing you to select and open individual folders or files. Above, you'll find your folder or file description, send, share, and download buttons, and your Actions menu located on the right-hand side of the interface underneath the Upload button. Use the Actions menu to create, delete, move, or rename folders and files. Note that there are three types of folders: a folder with no arrow, a folder with a green arrow, or a folder with a red arrow. A folder with no arrow means you own the folder and it has not been shared with other users. Folders with a green arrow represent a folder you own and that has been shared with other users, and a red arrow on the folder means that another user has shared that folder with you. You can view the owner and check your access on a red folder by looking at the description. As long as you have write permission on the folder and enough bandwidth, you can upload files into the folder using the Upload button. Change the upload destination by clicking Choose, or New to create a new folder to upload into. Click Choose File to select a file from your computer or mobile device. Click Upload to complete your transfer. The Send feature allows you to transfer files or folders to a recipient by specifying a contact or user's username, name, and/or email. New email addresses will automatically be added to your list of contacts. Add a title in the subject field, and next, use the Files button to transfer items from your remote site, or choose File to select files to transfer from your computer or mobile device. Use the blank field underneath the files to include additional information or messages to your delivery. Enable the public link and allow a recipient to download the sent files by URL. Simply have the recipient copy and paste a link into any browser to download the file sent. Additionally, you can specify an expiration date to have the transfer become unavailable after a certain number of days. When using the Send function to transfer files, you can view the details of the event in the Home tab. Select a folder or file and click the Download button to transfer the file or folder to your local device. When downloading entire folders, the folder will be compressed into a zip folder. Individual files can be downloaded by selecting the file before clicking Download. The most essential tool is the Share button. Use the Share button to give other users access to a folder you own, configure notifications, and enable or disable anonymous access capabilities by URL or FTP client. You can give the shared folder a name and change the description other users will see. Change the path of the shared folder by clicking Choose and selecting one of your available folders from your folder structure. Click Add Contacts and use a contact or user's username, name, or a recipient's email address to share the folder with them. Or click Add Contacts again to select from your current list of users and contacts. Next, use the drop-down menu to specify their access on the folder. Note that user-level settings overwrite folder-level access. If you gave a user read-only access in their user options, giving them write access on the shared folder will not work. Use the drop-down menu underneath Access to select the user's notifications and click Continue. If you want to receive notifications as the admin or folder owner, check Notify Me When Contacts and select your notification option. Select Allow Anonymous Access to enable anonymous access by FTP client or URL, and select the type of anonymous access using the drop-down menu. For more information on anonymous access by URL or FTP client, please take a look at the description below. Hide folder from anonymous access listing will conceal the folder from anonymous browsing by FTP client or web browser unless a user has the exact path for the folder provided by the admin or folder owner. Display downloaded files directly in browser will open any browser-compatible files directly in the web browser. If you click the sharing link, you'll be able to review all the shared folder names, paths, and users the folders are shared with. Visit www.help.hostedftp.com for additional help, tutorials, articles, and support resources. Use our live chat to talk to a representative, or email support@hostedftp.com for your business inquiries. Thank you so much for watching,